Welcome everybody. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Carlos Bill, dedicated buyer's agent with MexLife in Puerto Vallarta. We are at Villa Ensueño in Fluvial, literally about 30 seconds from Costco. So we could say it's in walking distance, but really you're gonna carry everything back from Costco. But that way you get an idea of where we're located. We have the pleasure of being let into this property today, just myself, to do a little walkthrough tour. So let's get to it. We'll go ahead and start from the walk-in entrance, because we do have a couple of entrances here. This is one big door here, one heavy door. By the way, this opens up into a two-car garage covered stall. Got pool equipment here, heater, filter, house pressure pump. We'll save that for a moment. The good stuff. We do have an empty bedroom here, which obviously they're not using or was never used, but you put some shades in there and you're ready to go. But look at this entrance. Talk about beautiful. Here we go. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to ruin this beautiful, beautiful view. If you could feel the breeze coming through here now, wow. It is extremely warm outside, and boy, it's perfect in here right now. So this just, what a transition here into the pool area. Really beautiful. Nice little outdoor eating area and another vehicle entrance. Automatic opener. Right over here we have a laundry area, and we'll walk right into the kitchen. Look at this dividing wall here. I love it. Here's this kitchen. And obviously comes right back around to the living room here. We'll take you into the laundry room. And I do believe we also have an outdoor bathroom here. Oh, look at this. Just the natural light, unbelievable. Wow. Really spectacular. I do want to mention that we're looking at a property with 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths. All right, let's go ahead and take a walk upstairs. All right, here we go on upstairs, and I just can't tell you, it's so hard to describe how the air just moves through this house. It's just unbelievable. It's wonderful. It's really warm out, and it feels really cool in here. All right, we're gonna start in one of the smaller bedrooms here. We'll go ahead and shut this door because we have such a cross breeze in this house that it is just slamming doors. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, you can almost see Costco here. This is the new hospital that's being built right here. Just looking down at the entrance and the covered parking. And Costco is right behind those trees there. So much natural light in here. A little walk-in closet. All right. And these are just unbelievably heavy, solid wood doors. Beautiful. Yeah, step out here, have your morning coffee, read a book. Look at this. I actually like that there's not a lot of artwork on the wall. Allows for the next homeowner to make it your own. Again, look at this beautiful light coming in here. Wow. And a little bit of closet space here. Easily build out some shelving units there. All right, on to number 4. Everything is extremely well taken care of, well painted. Love the colors. Looks just like the other one, it's just opposite layout. PVC windows. Just do a much better job of keeping the noise out. And here we are in the master. I'm not going to open these right now, but these 2 windows do slide open. A little bit of a hazard, but I suppose give you a nice cross breeze, but there is no patio here to step down on. So that would be something to possibly consider building. And a walk-in closet to match the size of the master. So there you have it, guys. And here upstairs we have another little bodega. Let's go take a look at what we have upstairs. Okay. Well, we just have access to our gas, air conditioning condensers, rooftop. Looks like maybe they had or had planned to put some solar panels there. Good, easy access to the roof. That's important. And now we're on the other side of the roof. Water storage up here. I suppose there's an opportunity for a little rooftop gathering up here. I like it. This is great. Look at this. What a view. I wanted to just give you a little exterior view here. Right now, this is a corner lot and completely alone. Look at this. A great spot. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, I'm Carlos Bill. I'm a dedicated buyer's agent with MexLife. So if you want to learn more about the process of purchasing a home here in Puerto Vallarta and the steps that we follow at MexLife to protect you and your investment, you can contact me using the information in the description below. Take care. See you on the next tour.